going in someone's house. That's the establishment. I don't know. That's what I'm just.
But that will be deviating from the story a lot. That's like showing a background story for the thief itself.
Yeah, it's about the thief and
what we have to use is we have to use the available resources, because he's doing plenty of stuff there itself. There's plenty of scope in that particular house itself. We can use your idea where you said no, we can show this whole secret thief running around from the beginning itself, and the confusion with the audience. The audience keeps thinking whenever they hear this word tapta being used randomly, they keep thinking maybe that guy running around in the story
or
is
maybe,
tapta
or maybe when the father walks out with the child, there's this silhouette in the foreground. It just goes.
How do you think?
You guys want to join?
Take a step. The more they are concerned about is like, you are concerned about, I think it's about, establishment of the thief, right? And the thing is like, it's about, and his motive again. So it's like, out here is like, we have to steal at least one horse. I mean, in some scene, I don't know, in some shots, where this guy is stealing him before this thing comes in. That's the only part I think I felt, where we should put some frames where this guy is stealing a horse. Then the next scene can be,
one more way of doing it.
So
say.
Maybe like a montage thing. If you show the thief and a ghora, thief and horse, and tiger and horse, like
that's what I was thinking. Like initially the story can start off like there's this guy, he's hiding behind the shrub, and there's a small opening in the shrub, and he looks at it like this. So we know that there's some unknown person who should not be there, and he's sneakily looking at the house, and that's how the house is established. Okay, and then he looks like this, and he can see the horse stable. Okay, and then we can focus on the horse. Okay, so we can show that he's looking at the horse,
like
a point of view, sort of, that he's looking at the horse itself. So in the beginning itself, we can establish that he's actually talking.
At the beginning, we can start off with these two characters, just coming in like, and then later if you just show it close up, and then
of the eyes,
like if you show and like a horse is getting like then again back to the tiger, and he's also looking towards the tiger.
Or the horse itself.
And maybe he's drooling.
He's drooling. And then we can come to the father holding, because we can continue with the background sound of the baby crying continuously, and a silhouette of the father and the baby in the window. Okay, and then after we establish that there is one guy who's not supposed to be there and he's eyeing the horse, and there's an animal who's not supposed to be there eyeing the horse because he's hungry. Then we can cut back to this father and the son inside, and we can resume the story here. And then then he hears the mother coming. The father hears the mother coming. Then he says tapta tapta. The baby stops crying. And then we can show this little montage where the thief runs across the window in a small shadow, and the baby looks at it like what's happening, like sort of something like that.
Let's not mix the scene, because the thief and the tiger will only attack the horse when the owner goes to sleep. Like when they know that now
the baby has stopped crying.
Now is the right moment. We'll just take in.
So we need to use the thief to confuse the audience. We can show that maybe the audience will keep thinking that maybe Tapta was the first guy who was looking at the horse sneakily or something. We can show that.
So then we have to play in the more facial expression and body language.
And even we can actually hide the thief character, because we don't need to show the details of the thief. We can just show him running across the courtyard, hiding behind or something, and people will keep thinking maybe he's Tapta, maybe he's Tapta. Tapta is right outside. Father was talking something sensible or something like that. So we can play with the audience like that.